the hand job. I was never gone to school for that. But hey, I learned that pretty quickly. And I never forget that first time when I went by myself, because Oliver said, he said, I want out of it. And he gave the business to me.
Wow.
And that was scary. My God, in a strange country, in a job that you were new to. And that is something, believe me.
Well, then you ended up owning your own company, which is what you were hoping to do all along.
Yeah. So I took a shortcut. But no, that was really scary. But I was pretty good in it. I look, if somebody was working, I did it in the stores in Holland too. When they were working, I was looking how and what they did. And I never forget, it was a filiale, a chef in one of the stores, and I loved the way that guy cut. Most people do. He did. I said, an extra quarter to know, yep. But he made an art of it. And he was good. And if he had something good, then she got it. And we never had a bad piece of meat. And I never forget, East Lewis here, somebody called, was interested in the kitchen. And I had trouble understanding her. I said, where are you from? She said, here. I said, how come you don't speak English then? Oh, that's so difficult. I can't do that. I said, she said, what do you know? I said, I know more than you think, because I come from a country that's a completely different language. Can be. I said, okay, have it your way. And we start to get away more from each other instead of getting together. I said, let's forget it. I said, you don't want to learn, and I am determined to learn. So I never sold that lady. But she was a pain in the neck. But that was the mentality, and still is, for Mexicans.
Oh.